Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the master file where Excel can serve it live, OneDrive or SharePoint. Once done, open the source sheet and convert the range to an Excel table so references never break. Make sure autosave is on and the file is shared with proper permissions. This avoids copy drift. Now open the workbook that needs sync data and keep both files accessible in your OneDrive Sync desktop or web session before proceeding to the next step. Next, in the target workbook, use Data Get Data from File from Workbook and point to the shared master file on OneDrive or SharePoint. Select the name Table and either load to a worksheet or keep as a connection if you want transformations. Once loaded, configure query properties. Enable refresh on file open and background refresh so updates pull automatically. You can also set a periodic refresh interval. This step creates a controlled link, so changes in the master prop. To finish, make a small edit in the master table, save, and then open or refresh the target workbook to confirm the sync. If data does not update, make sure both files are the same OneDrive account or shared correctly, check table names haven't changed, and verify query paths point to the cloud location, not a local copy. If a link breaks, use data queries and connections to edit or repoint the query. One key tip: always check permissions first when refresh fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.